In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Google Drive. Connecting Google Drive to Zoho CRM lets your team attach, organize, and collaborate on files directly from your CRM records. It keeps everything in one place so you don't have to chase links or download copies. For this walkthrough, make sure you're signed into Zoho CRM with admin access and that you have a Google account ready for authorization. I'll guide you through the exact path in Zoho CRM and explain what each prompt means so you can install with confidence. Start by opening your Zoho CRM homepage. From here, head to the Settings area, which you'll typically find as a gear icon near the top right corner. Settings is where all your configuration lives, and we'll use it to access the integration options. Once you're in Settings, look for the Marketplace section. Marketplace is where Zoho lists official extensions that enhance CRM functionality. This keeps integrations standardized and secure, and it makes updates easier to manage later. Inside Marketplace, choose the All View so you can see everything that's available. In the search bar, type Google Drive. You're looking for the official Google Drive extension for Zoho CRM. When it appears in the results, click it to open the extension details. This page is helpful if you want to review what the extension does, any permissions it needs, and what modules it connects with. It's always worth a quick glance so you know exactly what you're enabling for your team. Next, click Install. You'll be presented with the extension's terms and conditions. Tick the I agree checkbox to accept them. This is standard for Marketplace extensions and ensures you acknowledge how the integration works and what data it may access. After agreeing, click Install again to proceed. You may also see an additional I agree prompt related to collaboration. This confirms that the integration can facilitate sharing and collaboration features between Zoho CRM and Google Drive. Check that box as well. Then, click I authorize to connect your Google account. At this point, Google's authorization window will appear. Review the requested permissions carefully. They typically allow the extension to view and manage files so it can attach, organize, and display Drive content within your CRM. Choose the correct Google account if prompted, and allow the requested access. If your organization enforces admin controls in Google Workspace, make sure you have the necessary rights or ask your Google admin to pre-approve the app. Once authorization completes, click Continue to install back in Zoho CRM. You'll now choose who gets the extension. Select Install for admins only, as shown in this guide. This is a safe default if you want to verify everything before rolling it out to your broader team. You can always expand access later from the extension settings. Confirm your choice by clicking Confirm. Zoho will take a moment to install and enable the extension for the selected users. That's the core setup done. To verify, return to the list of extensions by clicking All Extensions. You should see Google Drive listed as installed, along with its status. From here, you can manage permissions, review any configuration notes, or check for updates over time. If something doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh. On rare occasions, browser caching can delay new buttons or panels from showing, so a reload helps. If your team later needs access beyond admins, revisit the extension, adjust the user assignment, and save your changes. And that's it. You've installed the Google Drive integration from Zoho's Marketplace, accepted the necessary terms, authorized your Google account, and confirmed the admin-only rollout. This setup keeps your documents close to your customer data and makes collaboration smoother across your organization. If you follow these steps exactly, you'll have a clean, secure integration that's easy to manage and scale as your team grows.